We have adopted a rigorous approach to quality control, focusing on cutting-edge tools to ensure the geometric and dimensional repeatability of your tools.
We have introduced a measuring machine that allows us to perform 100% control on your tools. Dimensional control, geometric control, and shape control. For the new tool, we compare the design model with the scan tool, or we can compare it with the 3D model of the previously produced tool, ensuring the geometric repeatability of the tool. Precision without compromise. Reduced delivery times, certified quality, time savings.
How much does it cost you to receive a non-compliant tool that doesn't last as long as the previous one?